See, the Greater Bangalore whole issue is only about taking political control over Bangalore. They are planning to divide Bangalore into many pieces and try to take control over the Bangalore corporation. Now the point is, when it comes to the issues of universities, they say Bangalore doesn't need so many universities, we need one university. When it comes to the issue of Bangalore corporation, they are telling we need many Bangalore corporations, we need to divide the corporation. But when it comes to the university, they are talking some other things only. They want to divide. They want to divide the universities. So it is about. It's a whole political gimmickry happening from the side of the Congress.
Disclose the name of the two ministers whom Rania Rao called. But Congress says that BJP is unnecessarily making a criminal matter.
See, first thing is police escorting and police giving protocol to a gold smuggler, and seeing to that there is no frisking or no checking of a gold smuggler happening in the Kempegowda International Airport is the main issue. It has become a political issue because political bigwigs of the Congress seem to be involved in this whole issue. Who has given them the police protocol? Who has given them the police protocol? How come that lady is not getting checked in the airport? All these things are matter of grave concern, and the government should answer. Obviously, CM Siddaramaiah would know who is involved, who is the ministers involved, and it is going to come out eventually. It's good if Siddaramaiah comes out in the open and announces who are all the ministers involved in this and what is the action he is going to take about this misuse of law, misuse of police force happening in the state.
Sir, yesterday